We are now in Carnival Cruise. This is the entryway. We're going to be taking a cruise to Ensenada, and this is like a brand new dome area that they have for you to check in. And we're going to be heading on to the boat in a little bit, so just follow us up. Hello, we're going to be ordering dinner now. We're at the restaurant. This is our first night at sea, and this is our menu. It's called American Table, where we're going to be ordering. Alright, this is the first day in the boat. We're walking around on the top deck, and we're kind of seeing what kind of activities they have. They got a pool down here, but it's pretty cold outside, so not a lot of people in there. They got table tennis over here, so a little activity, got a few people playing. And it's a pretty cold day, but breeze is not too bad, and this is our first day. Tomorrow we'll be in Ensenada. Alright, we're on the deck, and they actually have a big chess set for you guys to play. It's life-size chess. Alright, we're in the back of the boat. This is the stern, I believe, and here we go. We're on our way to Ensenada, and then behind me we have a slide, a water slide called Twister, but it's so cold and wet out there. Alright, so this is called the Chocolate Extravaganza, and they have a chocolate fountain and fondue, and these are little sundaes, and it looks like they're supposed to be little swans. They have little heads and wings, and I got the chocolate. Let's eat. night on the boat, and we started off with appetizers. What I have here is mushrooms, sauteed mushrooms. And then over here we have crab cakes. And let's eat. Okay, we now have the entrees. So I got prime rib with baked potato and onion rings. And then we have jumbo shrimp. A malted chocolate cake. Looks like a lot of chocolate. We got a little bit of looks like a pudding, maybe a little raspberry, and actual pieces of chocolate. Looks pretty good. Take a bite of that. Hot. Good. And here we have creme brulee. Looks really good, crunchy on the top.
And of course they said no, and thank God, because that would have been R. Kelly's next defense.
We're in downtown Ensenada. We're going to be walking down the main boulevard called Macheros and just look at stores and maybe get something to eat, see what it's like. We're in Mexico. We're in Ensenada downtown, walking around, looking at the stores and see what they have. Everyone's pretty aggressive here, so we just keep walking. Alright, we found this taco stand and we're going to check it out and see what some of the local tacos are like. We have some homemade tacos. I'm gonna put some cabbage here. This is salsa, or the mild salsa. And this is the hot sauce. Okay, that one's gonna be yours. Very hot. No more?
Yeah, that's all. Just put a little bit.
Yeah, I'm not sure what that is.
There's a hot sauce too. There's a chili.
You want some of that too?
A little bit. Maybe too spicy.
Okay. This is
That's guacamole.
Guacamole. And sour cream.
I don't want sour cream.
Sour cream.
Onion a little bit is
Oh,
okay.
onion.
Yeah? So put poquito?
For the feet, fish?
Oh, para fish.
Oh, for the fish? Okay. Okay, and that's it. Good. Nothing fresh.
Oh, gracias. Yeah.
Especially with the cabbage. Cabbage gives it a good crunch. Hot sauce is pretty hot.
Really hot.
Yeah. Look.
Delicious.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Good food.
If you say you guys got more stuff right there, beautiful sandals, dresses, blouses, backpacks, magnets, bracelets.
Eating our tacos that we bought, and we're walking down the street and just kind of taking a look and see what's going on. And here, there's a fish taco. Seafood.
Really busy.
Fresh. So yeah, really good. Yeah. Sandwiches. So we're gonna have a cocktail.
Can I get two tostada cuerita and one apachile?
So you put everything, right?
Yeah.
Really cool.
Alright, so we got cocktail. This is their shrimp cocktail, but this one has a lot of different things such as squid, mussels, octopus. Oops. It's getting everywhere.
Sour?
A little sour, yeah. But you got a lot of fish in there. It's pretty good. Good job.
You can add more spice, put hot sauce right there.
Put some condiments, put some hot sauce.
Ketchup.
We also put some ketchup in there too. Definitely taste it, makes it taste change, but it's good. Brings it out. We're at the port. You can see the cruise ship behind us, as well as water fountains. This is the big geyser. We're on our way to the blowhole. This is supposedly one of the best in the world, at least that's what they say, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, now we're walking around one of the local flea markets. They claim it's pretty big, but so far I haven't seen any fleas. Now we're going to try some clam and shrimp. They grill this. We finally made it. We're in the Bufadora blowhole. Woo! So the water comes from the ocean and it goes through this narrow passage to the rocks, and the pressure just brings it up, and there you got it, blowhole. So finally, this is our end of our day in Ensenada. We're now on our way back to the ship, which is going to take us back to Long Beach, California. If you like this, make sure to click like, and don't forget to subscribe, and we would love it if you would share this video with other people if you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys.